Come with us as we explore one of the must-do activities in Scottburgh. This is Crocworld Conservation Center. We thought we were just popping in for a quick croc feeding, but to our pleasant surprise, we spent the whole day here and we had an absolute blast. We rocked up just after 11 a.m., thinking we missed the morning croc feeding session. But turns out we were right on time for many more activities. First, we went to the baby croc interaction. Listen, that tiny croc napped in my arms like a baby. I think I have a thing for human and animal babies now, hey? Even my 6-month-old was obsessed with this activity. It was so cool. We took a few snaps with our Canon R50 camera, but I seem to have gotten water on it from the slushy I was drinking. Oh my god. It's really gone, guys. So subscribe so we monetize the thing. Anywho, next up was the snake interaction. I thought I had this under control. Mara, no, guys. Yo. First of all, that thing is heavy. Oh, and once that slithery snake started gliding over me, I lost my cool, guys. It was just, hey. There we go. So is it creepy? Absolutely. But is it something you should try? Why not? Since we had a few hours to kill before what we thought was the main event, the croc feeding, we grabbed the map they gave us when we entered and went exploring. First, I want you to meet Henry. He is a Nile croc said to be over 120 years old. Apparently, this was the curse laid upon him to live long with the memory of the bad he did, because he used to terrorize people before he was captured by Sir Henry. Not sure how much memory a crocodile has, but anyways, he seems to be living lavish with his 6 wives. Apparently, they wanted to give him more, but his tempo of more than 6 wives is definitely a no-no for Henry. Was it Henry or the other wives who attacked the newbies? Okay, the Maratawan. Alright. There are about 3 other species of crocodiles here, if I'm not mistaken, including dwarf croc. So happy exploring and learning more about crocodiles. The next activity was bird feeding at around 1:30 p.m. They were feeding the marabou stockbirds. It got pretty wild real quick. There was one stockbird with a reverse beak and was straight up bullying the others for the food that was being tossed. The drama, guys. Look at it looking all innocent, but it was all done. After that, we visited the farm. City kids, was it? This is your moment to leave your farm of Kasi life. There were friendly goats, rough-sized actually compared to the goats that I grew up around. So even tiny ones have horns.
Is it? Interesting.
I wonder what this is. We also spotted the thickest wooled lamb I had ever seen. There were also a couple of chickens.
It's like, I don't want to be your next meal.
And a huge pig, guys. And an ostrich looking thing. Or is it an ostrich? I don't know. It looked a little small for an ostrich. But yeah, that big bird. To kill time before the croc feeding session, we wandered and saw tortoises, owls, and tons of other birds. If you love fun facts about animals, the boards next to the enclosures will be your besties. And before you know it, it's 3 p.m. and time for the main show.
Oh, he's fighting him.
The croc feeding was intense and super cool. They feed them whole chickens, and man, if you are standing next to that bucket of chicken, hi, you need a peg, Kesana. Anyways, it was actually super cool and intense, you know? And honestly, for just 130 Rand an adult and 100 Rand per kid, this hidden gem is so worth it. I'll even drive from Durban just for this trip. So if you liked hanging out with us today, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye for now.
You're not gonna get anything.
There's no KFC for you. There's no KFC. How much chickens?
I can smell it even through my shirt.
Really, baby? The sound they make is like a car.
Jump, you jump. Jump.